Hello everyone. Today we are starting a new series, Student in Canada. We'll be talking about our journey from student to permanent residency. We'll talk about selecting your courses to landing here, what you can do to make this journey smooth for you, how to drive it to PR. Do not miss any single episode because each one I'll be sharing very crucial information that will help you smoothen your journey and ask questions. I'll try to answer as much as I can in all the videos. Um, and yeah, congratulate yourself because you're taking a big decision that takes a lot of courage and lots of strength at each and every step. And best wishes for your journey. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.